It all starts dark for all of us. We all start in the dark. The dark is a beautiful place. Truth is, we're all born and then we all die. And in the middle is this beautiful thing called life. Do we get to choose who we're born to? We don't know. Do we get to choose when we die? We don't know. That's the beauty of life. Now, some of us were born into poverty, and some of us are born into wealth. Some of us are set up for success, and some of us are set up for mess. Some of us have parents that love us and nurture us and cater for us, and some of us don't even know who our parents are. I fall somewhere in the middle of all of that. Now, where we start, it may be beautiful. Everything may be working. Everything flows just the way it should. And some of us are born into homes that are falling apart. And some of us are born into garbage bags. And it's harsh, yet it's some of our realities. The truth is, all of that is imprinted into us because we are creative and amazing individuals. And in life, there's rules. We don't always know the rules, but it's a good thing that there's teachers. Teachers aren't just the people that stand in front of the classroom and they come in and they say, "Hi, good morning." Teachers are the environment. Teachers are your pets. No. The truth is, we attract who we are. So a lot of us, when we start in that chaotic state, that stuff stays with us. So we begin to attract to us like magnets. You gotta understand, it says that iron sharpens iron. Why is that verb used? Because it's about the magnetism. We draw to us who we are. We don't always know this, but we need somebody in our life who's gonna explain this to us, who's gonna allow the light to shine into our lives. Hey, there is an end. The point is to enjoy the process. That process we talked about called life is meant to be lived in the light. And the light is the absence of fear. My name is DeWitt Tripp III, and I am passionate about speaking because I'm passionate about life. I'm passionate about seeing you grow, seeing you develop, seeing you prosper into the individual that you were created to be.